How is your day going so far? I'm Evgen, a technician at Appliance Fix Lab in Winnipeg, Canada. Today I will show you how to enter the Samsung DW80K5050US dishwasher service mode, view the error code stored in memory and check all components. Let's go! To enter the service menu, the dishwasher must be connected to the power supply but not be turned on by the power button. Open the door and simultaneously press and hold the two high temp wash and sanitize buttons, and while holding them, press and release the power button. If the login is successful, all indicators will light up and the display will show the symbols 8888. To view the errors in the memory, press the auto button 3 times. To perform a test cycle, press the auto button 2 times, and when the display shows the AT symbols, simply close the door. The diagnostic cycle of all components will begin immediately, and the display will show information about the test progress. If an incorrect operating algorithm for any component is detected, the dishwasher will interrupt the service test and display a code that encodes information about the faulty component or chain of components, and a beep will sound. In our case, this is the code PC. The zone wash function is not operating correctly. After eliminating the cause of the breakdown, we run the service test again, and this time the service test passed without failures and was successfully completed. The fact that the service test of the Samsung dishwasher model DW80K5050US has completed without failures is indicated by the open door and the OT symbols on the display. So, if at the end of the service test the door is open and the OT symbols are on the display, then accept our congratulations. Your dishwasher is in good working order and ready for use. It's time to say goodbye. If you have any questions about entering the Samsung dishwasher service mode or any other problem with appliances, leave a comment and the Appliance Fix Lab team will definitely answer them. So, I advise you to click the subscribe button right now, so as not to miss the next fascinating and informative series of video reviews on the maintenance of appliances in the Canadian city of Winnipeg. You subscribe and like. I make new videos on appliance repair and maintenance. Together we can fix any problem. See you soon. Bye bye.